This simple hair cream will help you stimulate hair growth and reduce hair loss. Hi and welcome to my channel. The first ingredient we'll be using is cloves. Cloves contains properties that help stimulate and promote hair growth. The next ingredient is rosemary. Rosemary can be used in the leaf form or the dried form. It helps reduce hair fall and it also reduces scalp inflammation. In fact, it helps stimulate blood supply to the hair follicles. So the next thing I'm going to do is combine my cloves seed and my rosemary leaf, the dried one, into the blender, my coffee blender. I'm just going to blend it all because I need the powdered form. And if you don't have the powdered form, you can also make use of yours this way. Just move on to the next step. Whenever you see cloves and rosemary together, trust me, these two are really great. They work hand in hand. They are very good in whatever you want to use them for, especially for your hair and for your skin. So I'm just going to transfer my blended leaves or blended seeds into a bigger bowl so we can move on to the next step. The next ingredient I will be using is olive oil. We all know how good olive oil is to the hair. It adds shine to the hair, it moisturizes the hair, it also promotes hair growth. I'm just going to add in 25 ml of olive oil into my blended herbs. The next ingredient is coconut oil. Coconut oil contains high concentration of lauric acid. Lauric acid is a kind of a fat that your hair can easily and quickly absorb. The next ingredient is shea butter. Shea butter contains vitamin A, vitamin E, and vitamin F. It also helps keep the hair soft and moisturized. In fact, it is the best butter for those that have dry scalp or dry hair because it contains fatty acid and other nutrients that are very important for maintaining a healthy scalp and healthy hair. It is perfect for damaged hair and split ends, and also very good for dull and dry hair. The next ingredient is beeswax. What this ingredient does is that, number one, it contains vitamin A and it also helps moisturize your hair while its overall formula, while all the formula used in this ingredient will be locked in your hair. It also smoothing and straightening your hair. It also seals the strands of your hair. It locks in moisture. It also promotes hair growth. So the next thing I'm going to do is to combine my shea butter and the beeswax together. Then I'm going to heat it up by double boiling method. If you have a microwave, you can also use that method as well. Do you remember the first ingredient that was made? The cloves and the rosemary turned into powder, which I added olive oil, 25 ml of olive oil into. Then I'm going to just use this double boiling method to get all the amazing properties of cloves and rosemary into the oil. Make sure the method you use is double boiler and it is also on low to medium heat. You don't want to use high heat so that you don't spoil all the ingredients, all the nutrients in your cloves and rosemary, but we just want to slowly extract them out. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to sieve the oil. We need the oil, not the powder. So after sieving, I noticed I have residue in my oil. If you have a cheesecloth, you can go further to receive it with a cheesecloth, or you just strain it out in a way that those strands will not get into your oil. But as for me, that is not a problem. That was why I kept moving on. I was aiming for a particular measurement of this oil, and to God be the glory, that is the exact measurement this oil gave me. I was happy about that. So that's the residue. If you get to this stage, you can just strain it out in a nice way so that it doesn't get into your cream. The next thing I'm going to do is to combine my oil and the herb oil and the shea butter with the other ingredients I melted the other time. So I would like to just use this moment for call to action. If you have not liked this video, please click on the like button. And if you are new here, hi, my name is Z. I make videos on how to formulate skin and hair care products. Please do well to subscribe and also like this video. The ingredients used will be at the end of the video as usual. The next ingredient I use is vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil is an antioxidant, and it's also very good in preserving the oils I used in my hair cream or the product. The next ingredient is lemon essential oil. At this stage, you can just freestyle. You can use any essential oil you want, or you can even opt it out. So because there is no water in this formulation, I'm never going to use preservative. The next thing to do is to get yourself a nice, clean, sterilized jar where you can store your hair pomade. So I'm just going to transfer the oils into the hair pomade. We are not mixing it. Just leave it and let it cool down on its own, or we transfer it into the fridge or freezer to hasten the process. So after about 2 hours, this is what I have here. It is all solidified, it is clean, it is nice, it smells so nice as well. So this is your sign to make your own hair cream. Start making your own hair care product. It's just as simple as that, with the ingredients you can actually get in your home. So that is all for now. These products can last up to 2 years. You can just keep using it, and I know you're never going to use it till 2 years, but it can last up to 2 years. I also have other videos where you can learn to make amazing products for your hair. Click on this video on the screen right now so that you can start making your hair product. So till I see you in my next video, stay happy, stay safe, and stay healthy. Bye.